Welcome, friends. Come dance and play. It's a color party day. Look around and sing with me. So many colors for you to see. Red balloon goes bounce, bounce, high. Orange sun smiles in the sky. Yellow duck says quack, quack, quack. Green frog hops and won't come back. Blue whale splashes, splasharoo. Purple butterfly flutters too. Pink cupcake twirls around. Color party. What a sound. Paintbrush swirls. Whoosh, whoosh, spin. Let the color fun begin. Red and yellow side by side make bright orange. Full of pride, mix blue and yellow. What do you see? A happy green leaf on the tree. Now add a touch of red and blue. Wow, it's purple. Shiny too. Let's spin together. 1, 2, 3. Colors dancing joyfully. Rainbows twinkle, bright and free. Such a lovely sight to see. Purple sparkles, pink delight. Colors make the world so bright. Wave your hands and sing today. It's a color party. Hip hooray. The colors laugh, the colors play. They paint our dreams in every way. Sing again and shout with glee. Learning colors is fun with me.